Hello everyone, Ryan here again. I've gotten a special request to do a transformation tutorial. Now, I've never coded this before, but I have the basic idea of how it works. And first off, what you need is your sprites. I'm going to use Goku as the example because Goku transforms in the anime and everything else he's in. So it's normal Goku, then Super Saiyan Goku, then normal Goku dashing, and Super Saiyan Goku dashing, normal Goku attack, and Super Saiyan Goku attack, and then normal hurt, Super Saiyan hurt. I'm just using these couple sprites for testing purposes, and I'm using these group numbers. However, when you actually do this, use the proper group numbers. And for the animation, so you have the sprites for both forms, normal and Super Saiyan. Then for the animations, you need standing animation, which is 0 by default, to be the normal stance. Then use group 1, stand animation 2 is what I named it for the second stance. Now going over to walk. So walk forward 1, which is normal, and then I want to use 30 because obviously 21's used, so 30 is not used, so I use 30. So always remember to number them like somewhat similar but not too far off. So 20 is walk forward and 30 is Super Saiyan walk forward. And then let's see what else did I put. Oh yeah, 200 is normal attack. Say I labeled X normal. So that's Goku's regular attack, and then 201 is X SSJ Super Saiyan. That's Super Saiyan's attack. Next, this is also kind of tricky. I'm not sure if Mugen handles this well enough, but I've seen characters that they transform and stuff, but when they're hit, they tend to revert to their original form. And I don't know how that really bypass it, but I'll see if I can do it. I've never done this before, remember? So you get your 5000s. The original 5000s are normal, normal. It's all normal character. And then what I like to do, because I think this will work, I made a copy of them and made 6000s. Group 6000 is the first transformation hurt state. And pretty much all the 6000s for that are Super Saiyan hurt. So now he has normal hurt and Super Saiyan hurt in the animation, so that's that. Now, in the common states, you need to copy the common 1 file from your data folder, like that. Just copy it, bring it to your characters folder, and paste it. And that's that. The definition file will read the comma 1 in the characters folder first, and if it's not in the characters folder, it's going to read it from the data file. And if you're doing a transformation, it has to be in the characters folder. Never cut it from the data file, always copy it. Now, so let's start off and showing what he does. Right now he just stands, dashes, and kicks. Stand, dash, kick. See? And there's the hurt frame also right there. Now, transformation command. I didn't think about this part. I forgot to get forgot to rip the thing for it. But anyways, okay. So, the way transformations work are variables. Let's see if I can draw a quick little idea here. No paint. Okay, I forgot I had this here. Okay, so let's say this is Goku. Give him a little orange. Yeah, orange. Add some black hair to it. Okay, that's Goku. Copy, paste. Take some yellow. Add some yellow to it. That's Super Saiyan Goku. Cool. So now, it's more or less going to be. Oh, I can't see that. There. Variable 0 equals normal Goku. Then this will be variable 1 equals Super Saiyan Goku. Simple, right? So now at the beginning we need to set variable. Well, we're allowed to use any variable number between 1 and 59, I believe. I think 59 is somewhat unofficially dedicated to AI. So let's just go with variable number 10 is going to equal 0 by default. We need to set that. So what we use is a var set code for variable 10. Variable 10, the value will be 0. So let's go here. We'll go on to the constants. If you look here, it'll tell you things. States that are always executed. States that are executed within the self states file. Self states, yeah. So we're gonna have this set to var set. Trigger will be round number equals 0. Let's see. Sorry, I have like a little cough. Going to the docs folder. Let's check the triggers. What triggers do I have available to me? Let's see, round number. Okay, so round number triggers. Okay, it's not that. What did I put? Round number. Okay, that's not what I need. It's another trigger I need. What is it? Round state. Okay, that's what I mean to get. Okay, so round state. So round state sound state equals. Now let's see. It says 0 is pre-intro. Pre-intro screen fades in. 1 is the intro. 2 is the fight players do battle. 3 is pre-over. I guess that means just as you win or lose. And 4 is to over win poses. So we're gonna use round state 0 pre-intro. So before the characters do their intro, it's gonna set Goku to be regular Goku. Go away, you. And it automatically says variable 10. I don't know what this F stands for actually. Float variable? I don't know. So variable 10 will be set to 0. Simple, right? Now, going off to the common one, save this, we have the stand. For the stand, it's going to have change animation. This stuff here. Now, the way this is going to work is, for the value, you'll put a if-else trigger. If-else variable 10 is equal to 0, play 0 animation. If it's not equal to 0, play 1 animation. So, if you recall, if variable 10 equals 0, which is what it is here, variable 10 is set to 0 at the pre-intro, it's going to play this animation. If variable 10 is not 0, it's going to play this animation, which is dun dun dun. Simple, right? Now, let's see. Okay, this isn't a change animation. Because there's no animation here, this code is not here, we'll use it for any code that requires animation. So let's see, moving on to walk. Okay, again, another change animation code here. So if else var 10, oops, can't forget the parentheses. Nope. There, okay, parentheses 10 equals 0, play 20. If not, play 30. Because if you remember correctly from what I showed you earlier, 20 is him dashing forward normally, 30 is him dashing a Super Saiyan. Jump, I didn't do guard, no. Okay, 5,000. Now this I'm not sure about at all. I am trying this just because I don't know what the hell I'm doing. So what this is saying is if else the get hit variable ground type, which means it's storing, I think it is storing, where is it? Ground type. It's storing this variable high in here. If that's equal to, I guess if that's equal to 1 or something, I'm not sure how this works actually, huh? Oh, get hit okay, so I'll ignore that. So right here, anyways, in state 5000, these are 5000s are basically all of the player hurt animations. So that's what we need to think about. Of course, when you're doing a full character transformation, you'll have to edit all of these. which is very tedious, but it gets the the point across of the feeling and transformation and everything. So from here you add another if else code. If else parentheses var parentheses 10 equals 0, play 5000. If not, play 6000. Then because this is a third one which is not right here, we need to add another if else because this is technically the first value right here. So if variable 10 is equal to 0, play this, otherwise play that. Now we need to do it again for here. If else var 10 equal to 0, play that. 6010. Okay, obviously this is an error here. So I could be doing this wrong. Let me see. No, that's not. It can't be right. No. 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 What am I doing? Okay. So a bit of a technical difficulty here. Mainly because... What is this? If else this... Okay, if this is true, then do this. I think I know it's missing. Maybe one of these? Those. No, that just made it more complicated. Nope. Yeah, wrong button. No, that did not help. There we go. That's what I was missing. The end parentheses. Yeah, end parentheses to emphasize this one and this one here. So, haha. So now, basically, when Goku gets hit, if he gets hit with a light hit to a hard hit, he's gonna play animations 5000 to 5010. However, if variable 10 is 0, if it's not 0, he's gonna play 6000 to 6010. And here are the animations for that. I did that at the end, I believe. Yeah. So 5000 are all the default what's in there. Goku hurt. I copied and pasted and made a 6000. Super Saiyan hurt. Ooh. Now, what I'm gonna do in Goku is make his taunt turn him into Super Saiyan. So taunt will be here. Variable set trigger one will be time equals 0. Variable 10 will be set to 1. And if this works properly, Goku should turn into Super Saiyan when I press enter. Okay. Error 5001 blah blah blah. Died parsing if else. Okay. This probably happened because I have too many of these or not enough of these. That might work. The parentheses are very special thing. Yeah, see, that worked. So now, normal Goku. Ah-cha-cha. Press start. Super Goku. Ah-cha-cha. Okay. Obviously, I didn't do it for the attack, but let me do it now. So this one, see, animation is 200. If else var 10 is equal to 0, play 200. If not, play 201. Good, so that's that. Now in the common one. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, maybe this is why. Yeah, this has to be why. Okay, this is stand, get hit, knock back. Okay, so then this is definitely why right here because I didn't change this one. So I will add if else this. If else var 10 is equal to 0, then that. Otherwise 6010. 6005. That. End parentheses plus that. Okay, good. So now I think it'll work properly. I think. I got no idea. So normal Goku. Attacking. Dashing. getting hurt. Now, start. Super Saiyan Goku, normal. He's not moving. Dashing, he's not moving either. Attacking. Okay, so let's transform this other Goku now. Attacking. See? So now this other Goku is Super Saiyan Goku, and he stays in his Super Saiyan form even after attacking repeatedly.
KO!
Goku doesn't sound like that. The hell?
It all depends on
He's
your
back to normal
skill.
again.
Face it straight.
Okay, so what I noticed that I didn't do right was the animation was very still. The variable is not the problem here, the animation is the problem. So how do I make the animation flow? Stand. Okay. Okay, animation 0. Oh, wait a second. 8. Okay, the animation does flow here. It just doesn't flow here. That's interesting. I wonder what could be the problem. Let me see, maybe trigger all equals time equals 0. Let's see if that actually affects anything first. It did, oh my god. Holy shit, it worked. Haha! So, okay, so it worked. Goku transformed to Super Saiyan Goku at the press of a button. This character file will be down in the description below. Please check it out if you want to understand how this works more. This is also the Kung Fu Man I used for the auto combo video. I kind of disabled it by getting rid of the change to here. But anyways, so to make a transformation, what do you need to do? You need to have both sets of sprites in the sprite file. As you can see here. Normal, Super Saiyan, normal, Super Saiyan, normal, Super Saiyan. Good. You need to have the animations for each one. Normal, Super Saiyan, Kung Fu Man. Normal, Super... Kung Fu Man. Wait, Super Saiyan, Kung Fu Man. And more or less that's how it is. And you need 2 sets, if you're doing a single transformation, 2 sets of 5,000s. 5,000, and then I decided to use 6,000 as my value. You may end up with 7,000, 8,000, depending on your transformation. If you do a character like Goku, Super Saiyan 3 Goku, Super Saiyan 4 Goku in one character, that'll be hell to code, but it'll be kind of messy all the same, but it will look very nice in the long run. So, let me see. Okay, you get the sprites, you get the animations, next the code. You copy the common1.cns file from your Mugen data folder, this one here, and paste it inside your characters folder. Do not cut it, always paste it. So then the character will read the one in their folder first. And the one in their folder is going to be the one that has the edits that with the if-else codes. So if-else variable 10 equals 0, blah, 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 blah. It's more or less if-else. So if this is true, play this. Or else, play that. So more or less that's how it works. And in the bottom of your Kung Fu Man CNS file, Kung Fu Man CNS file, you have a var set, a variable set, which will activate at round state 0, which means the round is just fading in as you saw in the docs files. And it's setting variable 10 to value 0. You can use any value you want. You can use almost any variable you want. I believe the range is within 1 to 59 or 58. Let me see. Here we go. Variables with this index and above will not have their values reset to 0 between rounds to match. There are 60 integer variables indexed from 0 to 59 and 40 float variables. That's what that F stands for, float variables, indexed from 0 and 39. Blah 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 blah. Read this, it's helpful. Read it. And all the other comments Alekbite has left us. So now the actual thing itself in game, I decided to use this taunt because it seems simpler. So when you taunt, it's going to set the variable time equals 0, whatever trigger you want to use for this really. It's going to set the variable 10 to value 1. So 10 equals 1, which is the variable. And now we go to the actual codes. So if Variable 10 equals 0, which is normal with set at default, is going to play 200, the normal attack. If it's not 0, which means any other value, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's going to play this. Now, if you want to actually have this under more control for more transformations, you need a more complex code for the variable here at this part. But I don't, so go ahead. This works perfectly fine if you're just doing one transformation. And as you've seen in the outcome, it more or less works. So just review again, maximize. Goku, Goku, Goku. Ouch. Transformation. Goku, Goku, Goku. Yellow-haired Goku, green-haired Goku, angry Goku. Simple, right? So get the Goku in the description below. Thank you for watching. Hope you learned something. I learned something. And that's to always abuse the hell out of your parentheses system if codes don't work. Because you see here, I missed this one parenthesis and it didn't give me an error, but I missed it altogether and that just caused the whole problem. And see how this highlights the whole thing? That's how you know it's working correctly. Especially if you're messing with if else. Too many of them can really be confusing, so gotta be careful. But it can't be helped in the 5000. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Next tutorial. I don't know what I'm doing for the next tutorial. I'm open for suggestions. And yes, I am making a stage tutorial eventually. I'm pretty lazy. Thanks for watching. Ciao.